di toda ni pay fast so we chapusia so we na no ban champesi na me say ade
ban champesi na me nim say dey sao
chaso
oh Sandy Jai
chaso for now ban champesi na ne ban na kia o we obi ano why make a lockdown we when I'm DM to DM also the ban champesi but to say
ne there say every week be say me dibi
meko na me money
Mrs. Azu good evening I'd say me register for ban champesi
ambesi no documentary
every week
now when him say yes obi aja wade na in fact me modin na we anya story dey bia me can say you know ya na some my celebrities ne feel say aso mo kwa ni ba je amanfo aja ware a day e wo bia say ya kan ye nya bi ni ba ya na unfortunate to say as our life for that bonten ho a bibia ba yin na e be hwia kakra but word of advice to me am megwa kwa bia sem konkonsan so begwa wo ho word of advice I'm one my girls ne say when your jubilation mood activated who say your back na who so be our about you pick your Bible, you take your oil, you go down on your knees no abompire manipako no asing am say binto but mentia says as asemness no be rejoice unless say again no so wonye wonye dia but baje we obi nyese cry not nkuko we ne jubilate enye obi ahwe ase na wo se wo hu se je otoso 45 otoso ye jana we enye jubilation enye news wo hu itie me ya mama mi ntwaso na me nko because as a Ghana be isem ne ya ye mo because as obi nkukuo na celebrations me kan kidi international music bia ehuna wo kana asem eno no say baje on say no ye jubilate
and obi ani ho time
on say no ne ye kan Teddy Riley Teddy really we baje we steady I don't know we are no why
oh we are bad
we are no why body no Teddy dey right Teddy dey
the woman say 6 year old bisa no mo ba ji
Teddy really and rally arajo ya dey
say baby away obi enya rally
it's really on and I rely one week but I make Teddy na aron no onje no hongu
eno kra na me ntiase o dey yeko anim
Teddy no also question mark abem yes Baba Bills
oh ka samla
bibi ko so me chera
Debbie hwe ngo so oh best
what dey any TR no yenga ni initials TR Bray International Music year we who kidi I was so penny works this is good news I may expect to say modi energy bi ebeshem na ya praising enye obi awade jaye ho story you know and I meant to be biase sometimes brajo yenga public no omo pe negative news public ne pe konkonsa say o Teddy Ray who kidi was say a hekano. On say ayedin obi am pese obeka asem no. Lockdown this is one of the best news Ghana enya say this year maso a. Ye nua be makidi orem. But obi awari jaye wo say hu data. Kwai na de men to ansem no so because
ban champesi na na eka. So obi said the message brother ban champesi pa then you are not in normal times financially. Or dream said that I am not in normal times financially. Or dream such as a minister di ban champesi.
Mo so mo she ho.
Na unim said the aduane rich anka wo.
Wo de ko bi say kra.
Unyina ba mi kika de hoka.
So wo ye wo to me say akonti so me pe kontomri. Na me pe nya do akonsusu ameko. Tomatoes no atoto kakra. No watwini nyina abo atoto ko bi na de atwim na de nwo agu so. Ene ban champesi na de onko try for now. Na mo ni bega ne sa na de. Ye won sonko. Edine no bi ka say Teddy Riley.
No waka.
It's a Riley.
Yeah.
It's a baje which man identity was.
You can me say. Rally. And also rally you rally
wa. Say me 3 good minutes. 3 good minutes now was say. I never na kamayo.
Say me do.
Everybody nya me wiase re ho me nua be ma pa na yemi say. It's baje we unim. I think lockdown we Ghanaian celebrities on. Na me hear J-Lo ne Shakira performance. Pepsi Fuadi. When celebrities no omunya daji. Eko YouTube omufi. Omu hear stage performances. The stage performance start from omutimi kosi omanas. Even their facial expression. Benya ha oyonko jina stage was anybody go afa. Na nanim susu jina baby say signboard. MYN. Brad many abrepa. Maka Riley ya wa nya marali. Enya because Brad Jerry winim. Eyesa e show her ya. What to 2 million? No one could show. Men kwano bonse wojina so din asa onwa performance asa ne raho. It's a better than a crowd na me ho no me so me re enhu nhia wo. Wo share nkofo performance and who say I said they are in express or mood be passion. Ba how yon kwojina staging na wo dwin sike be ma no ho. Me we e tema fe adom be ma me sen adom fm tema fest yon be ma me sen ye kala party yon be ma me sen. Ba so they ka fa passion here den. I got you. Ba we. Ana okon do ambisi. God the we as a sadly as ambisi na boy row as a die no erira with you sir. It's my some take opportunity no more performances so that they work on their craft. Yem peja we say no person me who dope performances. My last story my me fenya akwan na menko. Actually me akwan ni hweke bi. Me hweke me o feel bi me fan touch na. No, I'm more Philip Conconsa way the jam, a cacra may arene. My main fan church because Sanya girl we ask him no. Oh, she's not my trust story now, medical my full stopper. My twice meaning to be continued. It's my main quadra for lining and I mean, reloaded. Emra, but oh, dear girls now, Mucostidia. What day, Cheche? Nadum, she ran to you. I want to check. What did you studio? And your voice here, you mean so studio as a gay do a recording you, sir, no running home. I mean, sir, I don't know what studio is not normally resting you and never born. She keep the car. I hey, baby jet, crochet penalty, my girl, you first. I could join back or no. Alright, so Bank of Africa. What's up, Castro? Say, you can't show, say, Koswane Bonho Bain. Na memory free say, nay. Our branches in there, but you might then Accra Kumasi D and Accra Newtown, Accra Central, Kwashiman, East Legon, Medina, Tema, Swami, Doom, Huna, your chatum, yeah, your boy, you might then but and they lock down the free move. But no son chess, take break, the back compromise on the lay down safety protocols in Cuba, says social distance and they are DNA, washing of hands, sanitizing them, no need now, so no challenge, it could so cost you know, your best partner, Bank of me abwana ja hip hop was waiting me atre on kwaba mu ewo wadwuma we mu now on the Bank of Africa edin kita hon and no se bi any afrene yankasa 0302 as a drop no 429-333
for the album. I'm back next year Charlie fella
yanko so answer and can for Duraplast ema any products papa and need Africa they are conquer what they say
because we all signed
compression male and female adapters UPVC pipes HDPE pipes garden hose motor box
small controversy
M-box multi-purpose storage box for students as a chop box and trunk borehole casing pipes Durablock water filled plastic safety barrier plastic pallet Durablock plastic canoe Durabolt plastic canoe and I feel water tank optional water level indicator. You're on a sizes P and a DST sewage treatment plant, innovative septic tanks. I hold arches sizes now. Now, so a woman about your we check on plot number 10, 11, and 12 that the Ban Road or North Industrial Area. You didn't come out 0302 22 5001 0302 22989 and 0244 336665. Kumasi Wabo Light Industrial Area, Free Room. 0322-490-95 and 0322-040-777. Where Duraplast goes, water flows.
There's one thing I really want to know. Was the conversation recorded on the stolen phones?
I feel TSA Benya Gachina Papa B. A brim more ding beba. So to me, a day who echodom whole life assurance. Na Bibiania yet me abwa. Penalty, Maga, quiet bet me a fast wabuana Bibia Koye Ediama. It will be a we be no. Ban insurance is something at the idea in Yana. Janine now from my Holland Life Assurance.
Fellow.
Na Bibiania. Yes, we are Timia. Na Yajina Wachi Echina Pa.
Fella.
Yes, we insurance premium no there. Krabi near the idea. Not just a BBA. Echo ye Edimau. Holland Life Assurance will be there when you need us. So just give us a call 0302 799 788 and we've got you covered. Yes, 0302 799 788.
Go do y'all come back with no dollar. Shall the GH rep for
I mean sign Kyle BM say we are in the season for extra and UTNA
span.
But say we try to Airtel to go so
GTV.
Now what you see
To my fans and
big time data extra, fuse extra or
stuff
extra unlimited in order to get extra because it's time for extra. It's you phone is about star 111 hash. They choose your plan to see Airtel to go. Life is indeed simple. I love this song, man. It is coming from Aquabwa and Adina.